How you guys doing? My name's Derek Bernard, and we're sitting in a 2019 G80, and today we'll be talking about the rear cross traffic alert. So how this works is, say you got the car in reverse, and you're pulling out into, you're backing out to a busy intersection. So what's going to happen is that the sensors in the rear bumper are going to alert you when a vehicle is coming either from the left or the right as you're in reverse. Alright, you guys, I'm going to show you how it works. So I'm just going to put my foot on the brake, put it in reverse, and then if someone was to be walking across, they would be able to, you would be able to see, and there it works just like that. How you seen it beep? Oh, then it beeps again at you. And that right there, my friends, is the rear cross traffic alert, and that's how it works. Thank you guys. We're up here at 860 Toner Road. You guys have a good evening.